Hi! So my sister's asking for a foundation reco that is lightweight, skin-like finish, and perfect for everyday. I got you, sis! First up is from Easy & Co. This is not a foundation though, but I use it whenever I want something lighter on face, pero naku-cover pa rin yung blemishes and spots ko. Although this is very light, kaya don't expect too much coverage. Pero what I like about it kasi is that looks very natural on skin. Kaya kung gusto ko minsan low-key lang, low-key, ito yung ginagamit ko. And since this is a tinted moisturizer, I always set it with my favorite loose powder, also from Easy & Co. Kailangan yon especially if you have oily skin like me. Another thing I like about it is that it has niacinamide, so it's not just makeup, it's also skincare. Well, actually, lahat naman ng i-recommend ko ngayon are skincare infused na kasi grabe, local brands are really stepping up the game. And not just that, it also has SPF. And can I just say, ang ganda ng packaging, it's so luxe. By the way, my shade is Beach. Next is the Detail Fresh Filter Natural Finish Foundation. Grabe, I just got this today and I'm super happy kasi they're now available in minis. I'm in the shade Macadamia. Okay, mali yung nabili kong shade before if you've watched my previous video, but now I got one shade lighter and I'm actually wearing it right now. It's the perfect shade match. This one naman is light to medium coverage. No wonder they're comparing it with other high-end brands kasi literally parang kang nag-filter bigla. Para siyang may blurring effect na pati yung pores ko nawala. Hopefully, I can talk more about this product in my next videos and tell you gaano to kaganda in terms of wear test, performance, and everything else. Lastly is the one I've been raving about ever since I joined TikTok. This is the Happy Skin Serum Cushion Foundation in matte finish and I'm in the shade Soft Beige. Ito mas pricey talaga compared with other two products I mentioned earlier pero sobrang sulit. I actually have a separate video for it kasi sobrang saya when they restock and akala ko kasi talaga nag-phase out na yun pala they just improved the product. This one has lots of skincare ingredients in it. Well, happy skin pa ba? This particular variant has choline, kahay oil, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, SPF 15, and anti-blue light technology. Gusto mo yon? It really gives your skin the protection it deserves. And in terms of finish and formula, this is also perfect for everyday. Although, medium to buildable ang coverage niya, pero it feels like second skin lang kasi it's so lightweight. And I'd have to commend lang din the shade match. Seems like you're wearing nothing at all. And yung blurring effect, grabe. Well, I still use concealer for those stubborn marks na gusto ko i-cover or i-conceal, pero overall, I love the coverage. I also love that it comes with a puff like this. Sobrang convenient. I would really recommend this if you need something na you can bring with you. Let's say you need to do touch-ups, okay na okay to dalhin. There you have it! Ano sis, nakapili ka na? Anong akin na lang? Mag-check out ka. Link in bio!